In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a streak-free finish on dark colors. If you missed the last video, I showed how to fill old hardware holes with Bondo and apply this beautiful raised wallpaper. So if you missed it, check it out. Anytime you are painting over lots of texture, you want to make sure that you are moving the brush in lots of different directions just to make sure that you can get full coverage. Again, I'm using my favorite brush, the Klingon short angled brush. It's just a little bit thinner than the S50, and with the angle makes it a lot more versatile for lots of different projects. For that last drawer, I did have to take it out so that I could get full coverage on that bottom edge. And here's one of my pro tips. Just like cabinet painters hang their cabinet doors, for drying, do the same with your furniture. Make sure that you keep your drawers in the frame of the furniture while it's drying. Then you're not going to get so many fuzzy bits in your wet paint. After it fully dries with 2 coats of paint, I'm going to go back and fine sand it. I use my Surf Prep Pro Foam for everything sanding, even stuff by hand. So for finish sanding, I like to use the 1/2 inch very fine sanding pad. I am going to leave the raised wallpaper alone, but I am going to do the entire frame. You may be tempted to skip this step, but I assure you, if you keep going, it's going to give you a buttery smooth finish and a high-end look even with chalk paint. Okay, so here is our secret weapon, the Wipe-On Poly by Minwax. Not only does it work beautifully on stained tops, I absolutely love using this for a streak-free finish on all dark painted furniture. My favorite way to apply the Wipe-On Poly is to use a auto body microfiber sponge. You can find the link in the description on my Amazon store. I usually put about a 1/4 size amount in my sponge before applying, and then you want to rub it in until it is fully saturated in color. So look at that side compared to the front. It's just night and day difference. YSL chalk paint makes it really easy to know what is sealed and what still needs a little bit of love. If you do get some streaking, it's usually because you have too much product. Keep on buffing it in and you will get there. 2 coats of the Wipe-On Poly. I always let it dry overnight with any oil-based product, and now it's time to put the drawers in. Time to get the tops done. I'm using my Surf Prep 5-inch rotary sander to do all the heavy lifting. Especially for pine tops, that's a very soft wood. You want to start with about a 150, maybe even a 180. The higher you go in grit, the more likely you are to get swirl marks, and it actually is going to cost you more time to get them out. For the curves, I'm using a Pro Foam in a medium grit. Check out how that Pro Foam hugs those curves. I don't have to worry about ruining the substrate, even with soft pine. So I ended up doing a custom mixture of smoky quartz, leatherwood, and black. Because I was just playing around and experimenting, I didn't get footage. I will definitely be showing you how to use paint for stain on tops in some future projects. So here is our streak-free finish, all done, staged, and ready to go. Even my furniture kitty Nala had to check them out. Hey, if you're looking to elevate your furniture and wanting more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, because together we can elevate our furniture and each other. Thanks for watching.